Hey everybody, I'm here today to talk to you about 4 tips and tricks for reverse parking your car. These 4 tips and tricks are geared towards allowing you to reverse park your car safely, smoothly, and effectively. Let's get right to it. Tip and trick number 1 is to use your side mirrors to see the rear corners of your car for guidance. I'm going to roll the window down. If you take a look at my side mirror, you can see down the side of the car, and right over there is actually the rear corner of my car. And the same thing goes with the passenger side mirror. So as you're reverse parking, you can use your side mirrors to guide you, okay? Now, tip number 2 is to actually turn your head around. Don't just rely on the side mirrors and the rear view mirror. You want to actually turn your head around to look behind you, just like that, through that rear windshield. Now what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to use the first 2 tips and tricks to start reverse parking my car into a parking spot in this parking lot, and then I will actually be continuing with the 3rd and 4th tip and trick when I'm sort of almost in the spot. So let's just reverse park. I have my car in reverse. I'm using my side mirrors as well as turning my head around to guide my car into the parking spot right over here. Let's go ahead and we will guide the car into the spot. So right now, I'm looking at the side mirror. I see that car over there. Okay, you see my rear corner of my car and my rear corner of my car over here. I'm reversing it and I'm also turning my head. So those are the first 2 tips and tricks in action. Using the mirrors, okay? And also turning my head, just like that, okay? Now the 3rd tip and trick is once you get the appropriate angle, which would be right now. So right now you can see I'm straight in line with the parking spot. I have some space and I'm parallel with this car. I have some space and I'm parallel with this car. At this point, you can then straighten your wheel and just go back. So getting the angle is the hardest part, because right now I've straightened my wheel and I'm just going backwards right now. Literally, I'm just going backwards. Okay, and that is the 3rd tip and trick, is that getting the angle is the hardest part. Once you have your angle, you can just go backwards. Now, tip and trick number 4 is actually, it would work during the summertime, but it's a little bit harder now. But what you want to do is you want to look at the car beside you and use the reflection of that car to see where your car is. So I'll just use this car. If you take a look at this car, you can see the reflection right there. There I am with my window open right there, okay? And you can see my car. There is the reflection of my tail light right over there. That's my tail light. Now, if this car was clean right here, I would probably be able to see a reflection, especially if it was painted a darker color. I would be able to see a reflection of my car, and that would tell me when I should stop. Okay, so use the reflection of the car beside you to tell you, to indicate when you should stop reversing. I'm going to close the windows because it's -13. It's really cold right now. So, all right, and that's basically it. Those are 4 tips and tricks for reverse parking your car. They're geared towards allowing you to reverse park safely, smoothly, and effectively. And if you use them when you're reverse parking, you'll be able to reverse park safely, smoothly, and effectively. I hope that you've enjoyed this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up if you liked it and if it helped you. Let me know what your tips and tricks are for reverse parking in the comment section down below. And above all, please be sure to subscribe for more great car and driving videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.